Hello guys, so for today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade soup base or sauce base that you can use for a quick cook. You can just add it to your hot water or to your favorite meat and seafood and veggies. So first off, what you'll need is some chopped onions, garlic, some Korean gochujang, sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, and balsamic vinegar. First step is to puree your chopped onions and garlic. Heat up a pan and add some oil. Once the oil is heated up, add your pureed onions and garlic and let it cook until it turns slightly brown. It's really handy to keep a sauce base in your refrigerator and just take it out whenever you need it. Use it to saute your vegetables or meats or seafood with no other preparations needed. So now add the balsamic vinegar and then mix it well. Just keep stirring and just enjoy the aroma of flavors. Now add your soy sauce and add your fish sauce. Since this is a sauce base, you can be extra generous with the ingredients if you like, so you can achieve the strong flavor that you're looking for. Now add the Korean gochujang and sugar. You can also add cayenne pepper to spice it up. Mix it well while it boils and make sure that all the flavors are coming together and blending in nicely. Now at this point, you'll notice the sauce is getting thicker and the color is now darker. So this is where we know that it's almost ready. Remove from the heat and let it cool down before we put it in a jar. If properly sealed and refrigerated, this sauce base or soup base can be used and can last up to 3 months. So now here's our final product, bottled up nicely. This homemade soup base and sauce base is really perfect for those who have less time to cook. And as you can see, you can just add some noodles, some prawns, and some vegetables and hot water, and you have a perfectly tasty noodle dish at your home. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.